Hey, what's up, my wing holder brother, my millionaire brother? Today video is going very special for wing holder. Today I tell you, and this video to wing going up in upcoming days or wing going down. Absolutely, the wing the last previous days, the last 7 days, absolutely very badly going down. So what's going on in upcoming days? They going up or they going down? This is absolutely very important question, and a lot of people ask me this question to please tell me to what we do, sell, hold or buy. So I told you and this video everything, so keep watch this video, don't skip any second video or every second of this video, otherwise you cannot understand to what I tell you what you do, and then you do wrong decision, then absolutely you are in the lost. This time I got, first of all, I gonna show you the last 1 day charts. I have 3 year experience in crypto, my brothers, and I understand they are going lost or they gone they are going a very good profit, they make you a millionaire. So this time you can see here the 1 day chart has gone upward. You can see here they take a very good jump, my brother. A wink as a last previous day absolutely gone down very badly, and I also lost. But this time you can see here they changed our life. Absolutely, they're going up. This sometimes they take a very high jump, sometimes they're going straight. You can see here the change occur 14.04%, they're going up. So this is not a small change, I hope, my brother. This time you can see here the latest price is 0.001816 US dollar. What's going on next? This is the main question. Yes, absolutely, what's going on next? I first of all I gonna show you the last 1 hour chart to what's going on in the last 1 hour, and then we decide to what's going on. Okay, this time if you can see here, my friends, they are going very badly down in the last 1 hour, minus 3.1%, they're going down. And this here, as you can see here, the price is also decreased very badly. This time you can see here the chart going down, my brother. What's going on here? Here, is they going up or they going down? This is the one question. Okay, so you can see here I have 3 year experience, and when cryptocurrencies goes down very fastly, then absolutely after after a fall they take a very fastly and very good jump. Absolutely, this is a very useful track. If you are a old crypto holder, then absolutely you understand to what I talk you. Yes, and if you are new, then what I talk you, please follow this. Absolutely, you cannot lost, you cannot lost. So I hope you understand, my brother. Today are going in upcoming time very fastly up. Absolutely, they are going very fastly. This time you can see here the end of the files, and I hope they're starting upward and of the upcoming time. And when they go starting upward, then I make a special video for you and upload on this channel. You just subscribe and press bell icon for videos notification. Yes, subscribe and press bell icon for videos notification. Hope you understand, my brother. Today going up in upcoming days. Wing is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. Please invest and hold and buy and sell it at the end of month. I hope they make you millionaire, they give you a good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.